I resonate with the idealist vibration in my blueprint. I resonate with the idealist vibration in my blueprint. I resonate with the idealist vibration in my blueprint. Hey everybody, I'm Gandharva and it is the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations once again. And this time it's Friday. Friday is governed by the idealist vibration, the idealist personality. Ideal, right? Looking at everything in the ideal. Beauty, the senses. Oh, beautiful things to smell, like rose is the fragrance of Friday, rose. Beautiful things to eat, beautiful things to listen to, touch. The Raja Yogi, idealist, spiritually, gets wowed by anything, even the smallest thing. The great spiritual idealist, Raja Yogi, Henry Miller, said, "The moment one gives close attention to anything, even a blade of grass, it becomes a mysterious, awesome, indescribably magnificent world in itself." An idealist could be walking down the street and see like a little flower coming out of a crack in the sidewalk that no one else is noticing, people just walking by, stepping on it, or whatever. And the Raja Yogi, especially the spiritual one, will notice it and just stare at it forever, meditate on it. They'll kneel down and just look at it and try to smell it. And yeah. This is what it's like being an idealist, especially a spiritual idealist, but even idealist in relationships and career, very similar. It's all about love for the idealist. I was corresponding with a student of mine yesterday, in fact, and she has the integrative vibration in her marriage area, which can bring a tendency toward multiple partner marriages, like polyamory. There's many ways to love, folks. It's all based on your blueprint. And she was indicating an interest in the polyamorous lifestyle. And I said, yeah, it would work for you in marriage, but your relationship vibration and your spiritual vibration also come into play with this. And I, was going on about that. And then I realized in my own life, I also have the integrative vibration in my marriage. So, and I've always thought about polyamory or been interested in that. Never really explored it very much. And I was thinking yesterday that the reason for it not being explored so much was that I have the idealist spiritual personality. And the idealist, the Raja Yogi, is always looking for the one spiritual partner, not the two or the three or the four, but the one. And so the spiritual leads everything in the blueprint. So I think I've naturally been going with my spiritual energy, even though my marriage energy could support more of a multiple partner kind of thing. Anyway, along those lines,